Oh, exposed him! Exposed him, bitch! Exposed! Oh! Exposed! Hello, everyone, and welcome to Green Hill Roblox. You may have seen this when I was ranting out on Green Hill, but this Green Hill is good, because we got Adventure Sonic by our side. Anyways, I played around with this for a little bit, and it's pretty fun. And that's not much of a surprise. Alright. That wasn't much of a surprise either. But yeah, I messed around with it, and I'm glad to say that I am having fun. Which will make you. So I can't speak. This fucking. Stop. This is hurting me. I'm gonna use my teleportation powers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Teleportation. What? Which way do I go? Which way? Which way? This way? Or that way? Nah, screw it. I'll go this way. Also, that sand sound was from Gary's mod. Let's go here. Fun times. Oh! The fuck was the point of that? That was fucking. But I can't get to the goal now. What the fuck? I never really got the point of this part. Also, Sonic's heart is secretly a ball. Okay, after a long time, I found out where I was supposed to go. So, I'll just speedrun this shit, and yeah, just enjoy the view. Boom, boy! Huh? No problem. And I'm dead! Okay, so I might as well just goof around with the engine it's using from here on out. Stand contest! Nah, fuck it. Hey, can you just show me? Nah, fuck you. Oh wait, I did what he wanted. I did what he wanted. Shit! I use the power of spring! I'm gonna go ahead and dance. Oh, fuck you too, Sonic. You're not wasting your time here. Just look at that beautiful view. Oh, sir, hedgehog. Ah, shit! No! Stop that! Ah! No! Speaking of which, how did Sonic ever get his powers? How the fuck was he born? And no, I'm not talking about Sonic Underground shit. Fuck that. Was he created by a fucking porcupine having sex with a fucking hedgehog? That would be fun to see. Not really. Because hedgehogs don't really look like this. Or did the porcupine have sex with Sonic's mom? We'll never know, but we will know if I beat this stage. Well, actually, I'm just dicking around at this rate. I can make it there. Just gotta. Told you, never should have doubted me. But first off, I want to destroy you, and I want to have those. Really bad. Watch me jump! If the light speed dash, it don't help me. Wee. Oh yeah. Okay. That was an animation that you've seen. What happens when Sonic goes too fast? Whee! I'll prove it to you that I can make it up there. I'll prove it. I'll prove it. I'll prove it. Take that, Roblox logic, bitch! You didn't barely made it. You did a good job, Sonic. You did good, kid. You did good. Now, go off. Run into the sunset.